Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Kaizen Technologies, which also operates as Web Deals JA, has been fined 800,000 Jamaican dollars for illegally collecting General Consumption Tax GCT. Tax Administration Jamaica TVJ says the company breached Section 56(5) of the General Consumption Tax Act, which makes a person who is not a registered taxpayer but collects tax punishable under law. The TVJ says for the periods October 2020 and November 2020, Kaizen Technologies collected general consumption taxes without being a registered taxpayer of GCT. The company pleaded guilty to the two offenses and was fined $400,000 on each of the two counts. The fines were subsequently paid. On to some news in agriculture. The Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries has allocated $100 million to help farmers purchase fertilizer. Interim Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw says a 15% reduction in the price of 4 select fertilizers will be applied. He made the announcement in the lower house on Wednesday.
This price reduction will be applied at the point of purchase to registered farmers island-wide for a period effective October 1 to December 31st, or until the $100 million is exhausted.
Now, Mr. Shaw said Newport Fersan will also be bringing 3 new fertilizer blends to the market, utilizing less expensive but equally effective ingredients. Southwest Airlines says its operations into Montego Bay's Sangster International Airport are returning to pre-COVID-19 levels. In a meeting with Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett in Dallas, USA yesterday, Southwest executives say the trend is signaling increased demand for Jamaica as a destination by U.S. travelers. This despite the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) Level 4 guidance against travel to Jamaica. MBJ Airports Limited also recently reported that it has not seen a decline in flights and passenger demand despite the CDC's ruling. Now to some company news. Cygnus Real Estate Finance Company has closed a $3.2 billion Jamaican dollar financing agreement for its One Belmont commercial development project. In a release, the company says the capital raise consists of a construction loan of $2.5 billion from National Commercial Bank NCB and $650 million Jamaican dollars in preference shares arranged by Cygnus Capital Limited. The financing comes on the heels of the company's $2.3 billion initial public offering. Cygnus has secured $7.2 billion over the past 5 months to fund projects in various segments of the real estate market. Work has already commenced on the One Belmont site, which will offer 79,000 square foot of commercial office space. The project is scheduled to be completed in early 2023. In currency trading today, the US dollar is selling for an average $148.24. The Canadian currency is trading at $117.93. $205.99 is the going rate for the pound and $176.54 for the euro. The JSE index lost 101 points today, while the junior market index gained 47 points. The top performers were Express Catering, Caribbean Cream, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Access Financial Services, and Jamaica Broilers Group, while the decliners include SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, G West Corporation, Ordinary Shares, Siboney Group, Salada Foods, and The Lab. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Regional and international stories right after the break.